I got into a mildly heated Twitter discussion recently on using industry standard controls versus default Blender controls. And I wanted to show you what it's like to use the industry standard. So why I really like it is you can quickly, well, first of all, I could go like this. So I'm pressing Alt, and then I can go like this quickly. I can zoom in and out. I can navigate around the object without anything that's unusual. These are similar controls to using Unity. Uh, it's just I didn't need to learn anything. Another thing is if you press F1, F2, F3, F4, you quickly get the camera controls all there. And I can come out of it real quick like that. One thing that's the same is I could press 1, 2, 3. I think that's the same with the default controls. I can press 4 to quickly get out of it. I think that's the same. If I press 4 and then F, it'll center out. I think that's also the same, but you can't do this. See what I'm doing here? This was a game changer when this, like, that easy. Like, watch. Like, if I go to key map, Blender, now, look at that. Okay, so I guess I could do that if I use a different mouse button. It doesn't, it feels weird though. Okay, another thing is if I press Q, it does this. Now, if I go to my controls, I press Q, I can select between all of the different lassos quickly. So I can look like that, Q. I can do this one, Q. And you can see it's pretty awesome. And then the other thing is that if you can't remember anything, I can press Tab and just search for it. If I want a cube mesh, or if I want anything, like a loop. I can see all the options here. Now, I think you can do that with the default, but Tab is just, I don't know, it's like a muscle memory. Like if I press Tab now on this, it switches between object mode and edit mode, which is fine, but I'd rather use the numbers. Now someone I think said that if you use backspace you could search. Okay. I don't know how you search. Now you see, I'm trying to move around right now. See, how do I do that? I can't do it. How am I doing it? I can't move. Let me show you what I'm trying to do. This. That. I can easily just press Alt and the middle scroll button and go like this and easily navigate around my object. Now that might not seem like a big deal, but that was really frustrating for me to not be able to do that. Now if I press that in this mode, that switches the orthographic views. That just doesn't make sense to me. I can't move. Like, I can't. This is all I could do. All I could do is rotate. How am I supposed to navigate like this? Like that? Press 2 buttons to do this? Come on. Really? How do I do it? I can't. I don't know. What are your thoughts?